Hi, I'm Wire. Welcome to Wireworks. Hey everybody, Wire here. We're going to get back to doing tools. I picked up a few tools at the flea market last week. We're going to start with this here, these needle nose. These are made by the Diamond Horseshoe Company. It's called Diam. Anyway, these aren't really in rough shape. I'm just going to polish them up, clean them up a little bit. They're a little tight in the pivot, but we can fix that. So what I'm going to do is a wire brush this, and try to get some of these blemishes off of here, and get all this crap out of the teeth here. Teeth don't look too bad. We'll see what they look like after I clean them up a little bit. Anyway, let's get the wire wheel up and running, and we'll start this up. Okay, we're all done as far as the wire wheel. Got it cleaned up a little bit. I don't know if you can see this. Let's see if we can. Let me try to focus this so you can see it. Not sure if you can make this out. Where it says Diamond Duluth. So this was made by the Diamond Horseshoe Company. So let's get this on the sanding wheel, on the belt sander, and see if we can polish this up a little bit. This is Wireworks. Okay, here we go. These turned out really nice and shiny. As you can see, they really look nice. I'm probably not even going to use these. They look so nice. Look like they're surgical pliers. So what we're going to do now is I like to wax my tools up. I think I showed this to you guys earlier. And Butcher's Bowling Alley wax. Now let me get a screwdriver and open that up. And this stuff seems to put a real nice coat on it. And since I keep all my tools out in patio and there's no heat out here, they tend to sit in the cold, and some of them seem to pick up a little rust. So that's what I'm going to do. Take a little bit of this. This stuff really works good. Like I said, I've had this stuff for a long time. And I use it on all my tools. I even use it on the bed of my table saw and miter saw. Any stuff I keep out in the patio. I've got some tools in my shed that I have no room for in the house. And I pull them out in the springtime when I'm doing some woodworking projects. So what we'll do is we'll just let that sit on there for a minute. We'll just stick that in there. Save that for the next time. Let that sit for a minute or two before we polish it up. I did find that sledgehammer I talked to you about a couple videos ago. It's got a cracked handle, so we're probably going to maybe work on this next time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to order a handle. I'm not too good at fashioning handles, so we're just going to order a handle, maybe a little longer one, because I do have another sledgehammer head that's a 2-pounder that I'm going to make. Then I probably will get a handle for that one too, but let's do this one next. Okay, these needle nose pliers set for a little bit of time here. Let's polish these up a little bit. And these really turned out well. Like I said, I'm not even going to use these. I'm going to put these in my collection. Now I do have a wooden tool chest that my wife bought me about 20 years ago for a anniversary present. And what I've been doing is I've been putting all my collectible items, collectible tools in that particular toolbox. And seems to be I'm starting to have really a nice collection of older tools. So I might even go through some of the ones I've been collecting in the past years that I haven't restored and restore those. Anyway, this is what we have. Like I said, it turned out really nice. And this is going into the collector's box. These really didn't have any wear on them. The teeth look really in good shape. There's no dings in the cutter portion of this. In fact, let's give them a shot. Look at that. These look like they were put in a toolbox and never used. Well, they're not going to be used. Anyway, this is what we got. Anyway, stay tuned for the next one. Like I said, we're probably going to do the sledgehammer unless something else comes up before that. I did pick up an old pencil sharpener. We might do that. I don't know. I play all this by ear. Anyway, if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. Share this with your friends. And I'll catch you the next time. This is Wired Wireworks. Peace.